All right, first I'm going to show brand new Matek. In front of the camera, brand new Matek, nothing on it. It's already been, we already checked, put 14 volts to it. The issue that I've been having is that every time I solder this up, solder one of these Mateks up, you have these two here start humming, resistors or whatever those are, and you can literally hear it making a humming noise, a vibrate, and you can also put your fingers over it and it's a vibration. Now we've already put 14 volts to these, and nothing. There was nothing, no humming, no anything. So I got me a little test board here that I'm going to use before I do anything with, and I'm just going to solder this up and go from there. Now I'm just trying to make sure that it's not me. It might be me, but we'll see. I'm not applying that much heat to it. And that's enough for the negative for right now. And heat the pad up a little bit. Okay. Go ahead and add just a little bit more to this one. Okay. So we should be good there. Okay. The negative, and here's the positive. Okay. And we should be good to go. Alright, so I'm going to take my battery, my 3S battery, and plug in. Red light should come on. And I don't know if you can hear it or not. So it's actually humming. So I don't know if that's what it's supposed to do. But that's what I got. Somebody let me know what's going on. See ya.